This is the kind of dish many of us grew up eating at home. The beef turns tender and juicy, and the potatoes soak up all that rich sauce. Soft, flavorful, and so satisfying. Simple ingredients, slow cooking, and pure comfort. Trust me, once you take a bite, you won't forget this flavor. To make it truly authentic, there are a few key tips you need to know. Once you master them, you can recreate that classic home-style taste at home. Let's start by preparing the seasonings. Chicken powder, salt, sugar, Doubanjiang, cilantro, star anise, cinnamon, bay leaves, and Sichuan peppercorns, ginger, garlic, green onion, and soy sauce. I really love potatoes, so I am using 2 large ones. Soak them in cold water to remove the excess starch. Cut 2 carrots. Chop the beef into big chunks. Everything is ready. Let's cook. Add a little more oil to the pan. Here's a key tip. Add the beef straight into the pan and stir fry it until the moisture cooks off. See this? Stir fry it until it looks like this. This step really brings out the flavor. Now add the prepared seasonings one by one, letting each one become fragrant before adding the next. Stir frying the beef takes a bit of time, but trust me, it's worth every minute. Look at that color, and it smells amazing. Stir fry like this, then pour in boiling water. Cover and let it simmer for about 1 hour. If the liquid gets low while cooking, remember to add boiling water. Then add the potatoes and carrots and cook for another 15 minutes. And your braised beef with potatoes is ready. Don't forget the cilantro. It really adds something special. Honestly, the potatoes are my favorite. Give it a try and tell me which part do you like most. Bye.